Integration framework. This is incredibly powerful, totally undertapped. So it's something that you should have a very good focus on and thought experiment about to see where or how this could make sense for you in your business. The first way you can do integration is repurposing somebody else's existing content. Because a lot of people have really good stuff, they just haven't organized it correctly. And you can organize it for them in a model that makes more sense as a continuity than it does as a standalone, and then you get a percentage of whatever revenue that you bring in for them. You can also be the front end. So you can specifically create, because we talked about that buyer momentum earlier, how much simpler it is to be the back end. So if you create the front end and then promote as an affiliate somebody else's back end offer, that can be incredible. So you imagine you're the membership site tactics now, and you're funneling everybody into somebody else's $97 a month continuity program in a unique situation like that. That can be incredible, and you can flip it around. You can be the back end as well. So you can have other people who have front end only deals. They have no back end. You be their back end. You show them how you can connect with them in a way that you wouldn't do for normal people to hook them up, hook yourself up, hook their customer up, and everybody makes more money. Let me give you a fantastic case study of this. So this is the Fast Track coaching program by Ben Cummings. And so what happens is we get these Amazon customers when we promote Operation Physical Products. As an affiliate, now this gets really clever. It just goes to show you nothing is black and white. All these are considerations and guidelines to help guide you with your specific implementation, right? So we, as an offer, we get a third-party coach, which is Ben Cummings, to contribute content to these people as part of our affiliate offer, and then we actually use that and integrate that to promote him as an affiliate, his continuity program. So here's what this looks like. He becomes a bonus to Operation Physical Products. So Ben offers 3 in-depth training sessions specifically around his unique approach to Amazon, which is incredible and powerful, to help people launch their product and make money with it. Now, what's beautiful is it's really 3 sessions of interacting with Ben that they see how incredible Ben is as a coach. It displays his talents. It gets them excited and desirous. And naturally, even before session 3, they say, Ben, I would like to continue on with you beyond just our 3 sessions. And he says, no, it's not possible right now. I just want to focus on coaching. I'm not going to sell or market to you. But by creating the situation where they can't get in, it naturally makes them to want to get in even more, right? Then, when the time is right, he reopens it for a short period of time, therefore making it a limited reopening. And only after they go through these 3 sessions are they allowed to take advantage of a really special deal to get involved with Ben's continuity program, which is a till forbid, month in and month out continuity. Now, here's the extra wrinkle on top of that, because Ben does not offer the past archives. And it's a legitimate reason, because he says, listen, these people are paying this much month in and month out in the past for this content. So I can't just give it to you for free. However, I could give you a special deal since you just signed up as a brand new fast tracker to get access to the past archives. And so we also pull a Slack adjustment. So, for $4 or $5 or $6 or $7 or $800, I think it's $794. They immediately buy all these other archive sessions, like a year and a half worth. And then they move forward with his continuity program. And the way that it works from an integration standpoint is we're the sole and exclusive person who can refer people to Ben's Fast Track. Nobody else can. And he's integrated with us. So he is the back end integrated for our offer that we offer as a bonus for the front end as an affiliate that we promote somewhere else. So integration is incredibly powerful. Somebody has the audience and you have the coaching program, or if you have the audience, somebody else has a coaching program, and you work together and you make it very specific and related and integrate at this level, I've paid Ben over $1 million for this type of integration over the years. Or he's paid me $1 million, I should say, because I'm his affiliate. But this is what integration could look like for you. It's one of the easiest ways to make a win when it comes to starting to do continuity.